So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today video will be another topic from Calculus 2. So today topic is the arc length. So the length L of the curve C with equation y equal to f of x, where x bound between a and b is defined as the limits of the sum of the length of inscribed line segment, provided this limit exists. So definition: if f prime is continuous on, so definition, so if f prime is continuous on a to b, then the length of the curve y f of x, where x bounded by a between a and b is L equal to the integral from a to b of the square root of 1 plus f prime of x square and d of x. Also, if a curve can be expressed as y equal to g of y, with y is bounded between c and d and g prime is continuous, then we have the arc length also equal to the integral from c to d of the square root of 1 plus g prime of y square dy. So that is all the thing that you need to remember for this topic. So now let's apply the formula that we have into a example. So we have the example: find the arc length of the top half of the circle given by x squared plus y squared equal to 9. So we will have the top half of the circle, and it is from -3 to 3, because we have r squared equal to 9, so the radius will be equal to 3. So we have the top half function is y equal to the square root of 9 minus x squared, and this is also equal to 9 minus x squared to the power of 1 half. So now we find y prime. So y prime will equal to 1 half 9 minus x squared and multiply by -2x. So we will simplify it, and it will equal to -x over the square root of 9 minus x squared. So now we have the formula is L equal to the integral from a to b of the square root of 1 inside is the y prime and square, and then dx. So because y prime is equal to this, so we will have y prime square equal to x square over 9 minus x square. So let's substitute to the formula. So we will have the integral from -3 to 3 of the square root of 1 plus x square over 9 minus x square dx. Then we evaluate this definite integral. 9 minus x square plus x square over 9 minus x square. dx. So we will have this integral 9 over 9 minus x squared dx. And this is equal to 3 over the square root of 9 minus x squared dx. So I will put 3 outside the integral. So inside we have 9 minus x squared, and then to the power of negative 1/2 dx. And from here, this is actually, you have to remember one of the derivative formula for the inverse function of trigonometry. So you have to remember it. So this k it is equal to 3, and then minus the inverse function of sine, and inside the x over 3, and then the definite integral is evaluated from negative 3 to 3. So we will have 3 arc sine of 3 over 3 minus 3 arc sine of negative 3 over 3, and this will give us 3 pi. So the answer is 3 pi. So the key points of this problem is to set up the integral by using the formula that I provided to you. So you have to remember this formula for doing well on this topic. And then basically the rest is just simplify and doing some algebra. And then the last step, you have to remember the derivative of the inverse function of trigonometry, like sine, cosine, and tangent. So basically this is all about this topic. So thank you for watching.